I am the Tofu Golem. Please enjoy the video.
You start by removing distractions and gathering tools. Your smartphone, an RF detector, flashlight, magnet, and a wrench. Begin at the exterior. Walk the vehicle edge and visually scan wheel wells, bumper seams, and undercarriage for fresh hardware or glue marks. Use the flashlight at low angles to reveal seams. Once done, run your phone's Bluetooth and location apps to check for unknown pairings and persistent GPS signals. Make sure to jot suspicious locations so you can target your detailed inspection next. Now you perform the detailed sweep. Power on the RF detector and move it slowly around suspected zones, bumpers, wheel arches, under mirrors, and inside the trunk, because trackers emit intermittent bursts. While sweeping, open interior panels and check for irregular wiring or fresh zip ties. Once found, trace the wires to confirm they are not part of vehicle systems. Use your phone with a SIM check or network scanner app to detect continuous cell pings, and run a magnet along seams to reveal attached devices. This dual approach finds both active and passive track. When you locate a tracker, prioritize safety. Photograph and document it, then disconnect power by removing the battery or cutting the power line with insulated tools. If it's bolted, unbolt gently with the wrench. Once removed, rescan the vehicle and nearby area to verify the signal ends. Make sure your phone shows no persistent tracking services. If signals persist or you can't locate a source, stop and contact a professional installer or law enforcement. This prevents accidental damage and preserves.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.